These are the men of the same regiment whose soldiers took on hundreds of Chinese soldiers in a high-altitude clash in Galwan in eastern Ladakh. 20 soldiers of the Bihar regiment and others were killed, but not before they had proven their mettle. Outnumbered and under orders not to open fire, the soldiers faced off with Chinese soldiers along the banks of the Galwan River at an altitude of more than 16,000 feet. It was brutal hand-to-hand fighting. When it was all over, 20 soldiers, many of the Bihar regiment, were killed in action. Their memory will not be forgotten. Leading from the front was their battalion commanding officer, Colonel Santosh Babu. Babu fell to enemy action, but not before pushing his soldiers to hit back hard at the Chinese.
हाल ही में हुई गलवान घाटी की घटना में हमारी रेजिमेंट की 16th बटालियन जो उस इलाके में डिप्लॉयड है, उसे टास्क दिया गया, जो बॉर्डर रोल है, बॉर्डर मैनेजमेंट की जिम्मेवारी है, वो जिम्मेवारी उसे दी गई। और इसी जिम्मेवारी को, जैसा कि हमारी रेजिमेंट का मोटो ही रहा है, कर्म ही धर्म, इसको पूर्ण तरह से मानते हुए कर्नल बी संतोष बाबू और उनके साथ वहां मौजूद पूरी ऑफिसर्स की टीम, उन्होंने बिल्कुल आमने सामने की लड़ाई, जैसा आपको पता है कि उस क्षेत्र में एक पॉलिसी के तहत हथियारों के साथ डिप्लॉयमेंट नहीं की जाती, पेट्रोल्स की, गुत्थम गुत्थे की लड़ाई में भी उन्होंने अपनी ड्यूटी को पूरा किया।
This is where many of these soldiers trained, at the regimental center in Danapur on the outskirts of Patna. To be among the bravest of the brave means hard work, incredible dedication, a willingness to endure hardships. Soldiers of the Bihar regiment are recruited as early as 17 or 18 years of age. They are trained here at the regimental center for a year. If they perform, they become regular soldiers of the Indian Army and are then deployed on the front line with units of the Bihar regiment anywhere in the country. At the regimental center, soldiers are trained in basic military and advanced military skills. In their basic skills training, they learn how to fire, work on their fitness, which means endurance and strength training, weapons handling, and self-defense. Once these soldiers clear their basic training, they move to their advanced training. Here they learn to handle support weapons, more advanced and more sophisticated weapon systems that they may need to carry into battle with them. They are trained in one of their most critical roles, counter-insurgency operations. In their stint as soldiers of the Indian Army, these young recruits, if they are considered good enough to join the regiment as full-fledged soldiers, will almost certainly see a stint of counter-insurgency operations. They may be deployed in the Kashmir Valley or along the line of control, deployed in areas where they will need to keep their focus sharp and their skills honed to detect, interdict, and eliminate deadly terrorists along one of the most hostile boundaries on earth. They could also be deployed in counter-insurgency operations in the northeast, fighting in some of the thickest jungles imaginable and against enemies who seem to disappear. 4 to 5 batches of soldiers graduate from the regimental center every year. On an average, there are between 2 to 3,000 soldiers who end up joining the frontline ranks of the Bihar Regiment.
बिहार रेजिमेंटल केंद्र मौजूदा स्थान दानापुर में 1946 में आया और तब से लगातार रेजिमेंट की तकरीबन 26 बटालियनों में ट्रेनिंग पूरी करके सोल्जर्स को भेज रहा है। इस रेजिमेंट का इतिहास रहा है कि 1940 में जब पहली बटालियन का गठन हुआ, उसके बाद आज़ादी से पहले ब्रिटिश इंडिया के तरफ से विश्व युद्ध में, बर्मा कैंपेन में, उस समय से लेकर के अभी हाल ही में लद्दाख में हुए गलवान घाटी के इंसिडेंट तक में रेजिमेंट ने देश की सेवा में अपने वीर सपूतों को हमेशा से समर्पित किया है।
Honesty, integrity and loyalty. These are the core values of the Bihar Regiment. That is the bedrock of the training that soldiers here receive. No amount of military training is worth it if these basic guidelines are not followed. It is this basic training inculcated in the regimental center that makes the Indian infantry soldier the finest in the world. Strong in their belief of their leaders, strong in their belief of their mission, strong in their belief of their cause. Their country, their regiment, their brothers and sisters, all of them wearing the proud colors of the Indian Army, among the largest on earth. Becoming a soldier of the Bihar Regiment isn't easy. It's tougher than what many would imagine. By the time the soldiers are done here, they'll be able to carry a load of 20 kilos over distances over 20 kilometers. They would run and they would walk depending upon the terrain. It's called a speed march. And upon reaching their destination, they would still be strong enough and focused enough to get set to fight. To be able to do this means a tough schedule, day in and day out. Soldiers here wake up at 4 a.m. By 5:15, they're out on the PT field. Physical training starts at 5:30 a.m.
ड्रिल डिसिप्लिन का बुनियाद है। ड्रिल एक सेना के अंदर में सबसे अहमियत वो कड़ी है जिसको कि एक सैनिक रिक्रूट टाइम में अगर सही तरीके से फॉलो कर ले तो आने वाले समय में उसे कोई परेशानी नहीं हो सकता है। इन सब सारी चीजों के बारे में उन्हें स्टार्टिंग में ही ड्रिल नर्सरी के दौरान उन्हें ट्रेन किया जाता है।
This is followed by a hearty breakfast at 7 a.m. and then work for the rest of the day. They get into fresh kit, they proceed for their classes, tactical lessons, lectures, and training to fire weapons.
एक रिक्रूट के ट्रेनिंग के दौरान सबसे महत्वपूर्ण एस्पेक्ट है फायरिंग। तो जब वो रेंज पे आता है उसको सबसे पहले हम फायरिंग के उसूल, सिद्धांत और बेसिक मार्क्समैनशिप की ट्रेनिंग देते हैं ताकि जरूरत पड़ने पे वो एक गोली और एक दुश्मन का मुद्दा हासिल कर सके।
By 12 p.m. the morning session is over. It's time for lunch, followed by the afternoon session, practical classes, learning to read maps, sporting activity, perhaps even learning to deal with landmines.
ये जो बोर्ड आप देख रहे हैं, इस बोर्ड पे बिहार रेजिमेंट की 20 रेगुलर बटालियन, 4 राष्ट्रीय राइफल्स बटालियन और 2 टेरिटोरियल आर्मी बटालियंस के लेटेस्ट अचीवमेंट्स दिए गए हैं। इसके अलावा हमारे बिहार रेजिमेंट के खिलाड़ियों के जवानों ने युद्ध में तो अपना कौशल मनवाया ही है, साथ ही साथ खेल के क्षेत्र में भी अपना झंडा फहराया है।
The schedule is defined, so is the curriculum. By 6 p.m. the day's training is over. The soldiers bathe, they attend a roll call where they get their orders for the next day. There is no room here for those who are not willing to meet their targets. And soldiers have to be constantly motivated to keep up with these expectations. But the boys and young men who want to be a part of the regiment are almost always enthusiastic. It's been tough getting in. They will not let the opportunity pass. Discipline is the bedrock of training here. There is no compromise on that at all. The drill section and the adjutant branch monitor discipline constantly. Soldiers are educated, warned and trained. They can also be punished or worse still, expelled. There are no two ways about discipline. A frontline infantry regiment of the Indian Army, the Bihar Regiment traces its origins to the British Indian Army.
देखिए, बिहार रेजिमेंट की 20 रेगुलर इन्फेंट्री बटालियंस, 4 एफिलिएटेड राष्ट्रीय राइफल्स बटालियन और 2 टेरिटोरियल आर्मी की बटालियंस देश की सुरक्षा और अखंडता को बनाए रखने के लिए समर्पित हैं। हमारे ट्रूप्स की कॉम्पोजिशन जो है वो 50% बिहारी और 50% आदिवासी है और हमारी रेजिमेंट की नींव जो है वो बाबू कुंवर सिंह और बिरसा मुंडा के आदर्शों पर स्थापित की गई है। बिहार रेजिमेंट की सभी बटालियंस ने इंडियन आर्मी के सभी मेजर ऑपरेशंस में हिस्सा लिया है। द्वितीय विश्व युद्ध में वन बिहार ने बर्मा फ्रंट पे ऑपरेशंस किए। इसमें उन्हें बैटल ऑनर, थिएटर ऑनर भी हासिल हुए।
It was formed in 1941. It's gone on to distinguish itself in combat as a battle-hardened unit. The newly raised One Bihar saw action in the Burma front in the World War. And post-independence, battalions of the regiment fought in the First Indo-Pakistani War of 48-49. In the 1965 war, 7 Bihar played an instrumental role in the capture of the Haji Pir Pass. By the time of the 1971 war, the regiment had expanded to 11 battalions. 10 Bihar was conferred a battle honor for its actions in what was then East Pakistan. They also fought in Cox's Bazar, while in the Western Theatre, 3 Bihar captured Wanjal.
ये ट्रॉफी हमने 1971 में हमारे ही बिहार रेजिमेंट की 8वीं बटालियन ने ईस्ट पाकिस्तान में देवीपुर के ऊपर रेड करके एक विजय की निशानी के तौर पर हम लाए थे। आज ये हमारे इस रेजिमेंटल सेंटर के मेस की शान को बढ़ाती है और ये हमें याद दिलाती है हमारे अधिकारियों और हमारे जो शहीद हैं उनकी बहादुरी की, और हम लोगों को प्रेरित करती है कि ऐसे ही हम अपनी रेजिमेंट का नाम, नमक और निशान को ऊंचा रखें। चंद्रगुप्त का साहस हूँ, अशोक की तलवार हूँ, बिंदुसार का शासन हूँ, मगध का आकार हूँ, जी हाँ मैं बिहार हूँ।
In the spring of 99, when Pakistani soldiers and irregulars infiltrated into the Kargil heights, the regiment was called back to action. With more than 10,000 soldiers deployed, soldiers of the regiment captured key points including the Jubar Ridge in the Batalik sector in July 1999. Avdesh Kumar was one of those soldiers who fought in Kargil.
इस क्रेस्ट को बदलकर जो कि बिहार से संबंध रखने वाला अशोका का लाइन कैपिटल है उसको दिया जाए, जो कि तत्कालीन 2IC लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल जे.आर. हबीबुल्लाह खान खटक साहब कलकत्ता संग्रहालय से अशोका का लाइन कैपिटल लाए थे। वार क्राइम बोलो बजरंग बली की जय किसी भी सेना के लिए वार क्राइम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, क्योंकि जोश देने के लिए यह सबसे जरूरी है। इसका भी श्रेय पहले कमांडिंग अफसर जो कि इंडियन कमांडिंग अफसर थे, लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल हबीबुल्लाह खान खटक साहब और पहले सूबेदार मेजर विष्णुदेव साहब, दोनों ने मिलकर के वार क्राइम बोलो बजरंग बली को बनाया था। मैं भी इस विजय ऑपरेशन का हिस्सा रहा हूं। मैं खुश नसीब हूं कि प्रथम बिहार के नीचे में विजय ऑपरेशन में लड़ाई का मौका मिला है।
Several soldiers of the regiment have distinguished themselves in action. Lieutenant Colonel Harshvardhan Singh Gaur and Lieutenant Colonel Shanti Swaroop Rana have been honored with the Ashok Chakra, the highest peacetime gallantry award. And Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan of 7 Bihar was deputed to the National Security Guard when he took on soldiers inside the Taj Hotel during 26/11. All 3 were killed in action. Today on Independence Day, as we honor the idea of being Indian, let's not for a moment forget about our men and women out there on the front line. Tens of thousands of them are deployed in some of the most daunting areas on earth in eastern Ladakh, many from the Bihar regiment. These men will not see this program, they may not even hear about it, and that's because they have a job to do. Hunker down in their positions and get set for a long winter ahead in Ladakh, with the tension between India and China showing no immediate signs of coming to an end.